following is a CBC News special report.
Tonight, disaster in Asia. First, an earthquake of immense power shook the Indian Ocean. Then a parade of deadly tsunamis slammed into one country after another. The shocking result? Thousands dead, thousands hurt, thousands missing. And political showdown in Ukraine. Will it be a win for opposition leader Viktor Yushchenko?
From the Canadian Broadcasting Centre, here is Peter Mansbridge.
Good evening. The depths of the Indian Ocean have spawned a natural disaster enormous in scale. The devastation is so widespread it's almost impossible to fully gauge tonight. This is a CBC News special report on the massive earthquake in Asia.